Okay, so this on a swing trade, 3 to 5 day type move, it is extended. You probably wanted to be buying it yet. I mean, yesterday, right? That would have been a good buy spot. But I'm looking at this as it's had this on a weekly chart, this long consolidation, and it's breaking above this high here. So you came up once, twice, now you're breaking through it, right? And then if we go to the why I like this trade, if we go to the Anchor VWAP, right? That gives you a potential target. And that's going all the way back to the second week of after the IPO. Then you also have we can take the fibs on this. Go from the high here to the low, and given the backdrop of such a strong market, and now this is just looking at some news. I know back in here they had they introduced crypto trading, right? So crypto trading, that's a huge catalyst. Crypto stocks have been on a major tear, right? Bitcoin. So when is it all going to come to an end? I don't know. No one knows. But what I like about this is if we look at on a weekly, so when you change the time frame, this Anchor VWAP does change. So that's something to be aware of. So on a weekly, it's lines right up with that 1618, which is about 1661. And then if we take the high here, 13-ish down about, so went down about a little over $5, 13 and 5. So, I mean, you could put a target of between, $16 to $18, and it's trading at $13.50 now. So if we look at now, what can we risk? Well, if we risk low of the day, we're essentially risking, what's it at now? $13.50. Low of the day is 13. So we're risking about 50 cents to make, let's say, 16.50 minus 13.50. So 3 divided by 0.5, it's a 6-to-1 risk-reward ratio. And that's why I like it. And of course, this could go beyond, but you want to scale out, of course. And but it definitely is extended and from a stock B standpoint. However, keep in mind there are a lot of people that are buying this high. So if it were to break out and reverse on volume, well, then maybe if you play the short side, you could flip short. I think here today, it's for me, it's something I'm going to take, and I am going to do with I don't oversize things. I do small size. There's no reason to oversize. There's no reason to do options. All you're going to do with that type of stuff is blow up your account. Let the stock do the work. Let the stock work for you. Don't over leverage yourself so you can stay in the trade. On a weekly time frame too, if we just look at this is really, if it's going to go, I mean, it is just getting started now. Yeah, it would have been ideal to buy here, of course. However, this is where you could potentially get a quick, fast move. So if you like this video, please comment, give me your feedback, like, subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future.